Give me some. Hello and welcome back to Wally's World. My name again is Lindsay Wallace and today I'm going to be doing a braid out. So I've never done a braid out before. So this is going to be an experience, but hopefully it comes out good because my husband comes home tomorrow. So today I'm going to be using products all from the Blueberry Bliss Curls line. I've already washed my hair. I'm going to be using the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Leave-In Conditioner by Curls. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly, also obviously by Curls. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take my hair down from this towel, or it's a t-shirt, it's not a towel. What I'm going to do first is re-wet my hair because it's not all the way combed out. And then I'm going to put a little bit of the conditioner, the leave-in conditioner. Why do you hate me? Ow. Okay. I'm going to kind of rake it through my hair a little bit. I guess I'm just going to go ahead and use my other bottle since this one wants to be a... Ooh, there we go. Alright, I mean, it's probably as good as it's gonna get. So I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into two halves and, got hair all over my hands. Comb it out a little bit. I'm gonna start with my... wide tooth comb. Ooh, cleared out hair. Alright, so there we go. My hair's all combed out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair up basically into one big section, a big bun on top of my head. And then I'm going to leave out some hair on the bottom. So I'm just going to take my Denman brush and brush the ends a little bit. Oh, that's super knotted. I'm going to take my comb actually. Now I'm just going to get a section of it. Oh, I forgot. We're supposed to put the gel in. Took about this much. I'm just gonna, I guess, rake it through my hair. Now I'm gonna take a section of it. The key, apparently, to a braid out is for your braid to be tight. So I'm just gonna go ahead and braid it. Okay, and then I'm gonna just twirl the end, I guess. So here's how the braid came out. And this is what I'm gonna be doing for my whole head. I'm gonna leave the video running, but don't worry, I'll fast forward through it. You know who I look like? Felicia. So I'm gonna give it some time to dry. I'll probably go to sleep with it. And then I'll come back tomorrow and unbraid it for you guys and we'll see exactly how it turned out.
Tomorrow.
Hey y'all, so today's the next day. I'm just about ready to go pick up my husband. Oh, I'm so excited to see him. So, but I just wanted to show you guys how I take down my hair. So I'm using the Shea Moisture 100% Virgin Coconut Oil Daily Hydration Finishing Serum with coconut milk and acai Senegal. But I'm gonna take the oil, I'm gonna put some in my hand, and I'm just gonna kind of like get it over my braids. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the back and work my way forward. Ooh, that first one's looking really nice. So it's not my favorite hairstyle, but it's not my most hated. I don't know, I guess I just really like the curl definition in my hair. So I probably won't ever do this again. Thanks for coming out. Remember to subscribe and hit the like button, and remember to tap the bell so you can stay notified for when I post new videos. Again, my name's Lindsay Wallace. This is Wally World, and it was nice seeing you again. Bye!